Getting kids excited about healthy food can be a bit of a challenge, right? It's not uncommon to see children turn up their noses at a plate of greens or push away a bowl of fruit. But what if we could change that narrative? What if we could make healthy eating something they look forward to? But trust me, it's all about making it fun. When we introduce an element of play into mealtime, it transforms the experience. Imagine turning a simple salad into a colorful masterpiece or making a game out of trying new vegetables. The possibilities are endless. When kids enjoy their food, they're more likely to eat it. It's a simple concept, but it makes a world of difference. Think about the last time you enjoyed a meal. The flavors, the presentation, the company, it all adds up to a memorable experience. The same goes for kids. It's as simple as that. When food is fun, it becomes more than just sustenance. It becomes an adventure, a story, a moment to cherish. And the best part? It's an adventure that leads to healthier eating habits. Think about it. No one, big or small, wants to eat boring food. A plain, unseasoned dish isn't going to excite anyone. But add a splash of color, a hint of creativity, and suddenly, it's a whole new ballgame. We all want food that looks good and tastes amazing. Presentation matters, especially for kids. Bright colors, fun shapes, and a variety of textures can make a big difference. It's not just about the taste, it's about the entire experience. Making healthy food fun is like turning mealtime into an adventure. Imagine the excitement of creating a rainbow fruit salad or building a veggie tower. These activities not only make eating fun, but also teach valuable skills and foster a positive relationship with food. And guess what? When kids help prepare their food, they're even more likely to gobble it down. Involving them in the kitchen gives them a sense of ownership and pride. They become little chefs, eager to taste their creations. So, ditch the food battles, and let's make healthy eating a delicious adventure for our little ones. By turning mealtime into a fun and engaging experience, we can foster a lifelong love for healthy foods. Let's create memories, one colorful plate at a time. Let's face it, we eat with our eyes first. That's why presentation is key, especially for kids. Think of it like this: you wouldn't want to eat a dull-looking plate of food, would you? Get creative and turn those healthy snacks and meals into edible masterpieces. Use cookie cutters to create fun shapes out of sandwiches and fruits. How about building a colorful rainbow with different colored fruits and veggies on a plate? The possibilities are endless. Fruits and veggies are naturally vibrant and full of exciting flavors. Let's make them the stars of the show. How about threading grapes and berries onto skewers to create fun fruit kebabs? Slice up some cucumbers, carrots and peppers and arrange them with a yummy dip. Don't forget the power of a good dip. Hummus, guacamole, or even a simple yogurt dip can make all the difference. Get those little hands dirty and invite your kids to be your sous chefs. Kids are naturally curious and love to help. Measuring ingredients, mixing, and even simple chopping tasks, with supervision of course, can be super fun for them. Remember, cooking together creates lasting memories and helps kids develop a positive relationship with food. Section 5. The proof is in the pudding and the research. Studies show that involving kids in meal preparation increases their willingness to try new foods. And get this, kids who participate in cooking are more likely to make healthier food choices as adults. So, not only are we creating fun memories in the kitchen, but we're also setting them up for a lifetime of healthy habits. Section 6. Happier kids, healthier choices. When we make healthy eating enjoyable, it becomes a sustainable part of our kids' lives. We're not just nourishing their bodies, we're nourishing their minds and spirits too. Remember, healthy eating shouldn't be a chore. It's about creating positive experiences around food and teaching our kids that healthy can be delicious and fun. Section 7. Quick and easy recipe ideas. Let's get those taste buds tingling with some quick and easy recipe ideas that are perfect for little hands to help with. Cooking with kids can be a fun and educational experience, and these recipes are designed to be simple, healthy, and enjoyable for the whole family. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or a light meal, these ideas will inspire creativity and make cooking a delightful activity for everyone involved. Fruity pizza faces. Use rice cakes or whole wheat tortillas as the base, spread with low-fat yogurt or nut butter, and let your kids create funny faces with their favorite fruits. This not only makes for a nutritious snack, but also encourages kids to eat more fruits. You can use a variety of fruits like strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and bananas to make colorful and appealing designs. It's a great way to get kids involved in the kitchen and excited about healthy eating. Ants on a log. A classic for a reason. Spread celery sticks with peanut butter or cream cheese and top with raisins. This snack is not only fun to make but also packed with nutrients. The crunchiness of the celery, the creaminess of the peanut butter or cream cheese, and the sweetness of the raisins create a delightful combination that kids love. You can also experiment with different toppings like dried cranberries or sunflower seeds for a twist on this traditional snack. Rainbow veggie skewers. Thread colorful veggies like cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, and zucchini onto skewers for a fun and healthy snack. This is a fantastic way to introduce kids to a variety of vegetables and make them more appealing. You can also add a dip like hummus or a yogurt-based dressing to make the experience even more enjoyable. The vibrant colors and different textures make this snack visually appealing and delicious. Mini chicken and veggie skewers. Marinate small pieces of chicken breast with a little olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs. Then thread them onto skewers with bite-sized pieces of vegetables like peppers, onions, and zucchini. This recipe is perfect for a light meal or a hearty snack. The marinade adds a burst of flavor, and the combination of chicken and vegetables provides a balanced and nutritious option. Kids will enjoy the process of assembling the skewers and watching them cook. Grill or bake until cooked through. Cooking together as a family not only creates lasting memories, but also teaches kids valuable skills and healthy eating habits. These quick and easy recipes are designed to be fun, engaging, and nutritious, making them perfect for any occasion. So gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and enjoy the wonderful experience of cooking with your kids. Section 8. Tips for getting started. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire menu overnight. Making drastic changes can be overwhelming and hard to maintain. Instead, begin with small, manageable steps. For instance, you could start by adding a serving of vegetables to one meal a day, or swapping out sugary snacks for healthier options like fruits or nuts. This gradual approach allows your family to adjust to new tastes and habits without feeling deprived or stressed. Remember, the goal is to create lasting, healthy habits, not to enforce a strict diet. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 fun and healthy meal or snack ideas per week. This can be a great way to introduce new foods and recipes without overwhelming your family. For example, you could have a new recipe night once a week where you try out a healthy dish together. This not only makes the process enjoyable, but also encourages everyone to be more open to trying new things. Over time, these small changes can add up to a significant improvement in your family's overall diet. Get creative with presentation. Use cookie cutters, skewers, and colorful plates to make healthy food more appealing. Kids are often more likely to try new foods if they look fun and interesting. You can turn fruits and vegetables into fun shapes or create colorful food arrangements that catch their eye. This not only makes mealtime more enjoyable, but also helps to instill a positive attitude towards healthy eating. Additionally, involving your kids in the preparation process can make them more excited about eating the food they've helped to create. Make it a family affair. Get everyone involved in meal planning, shopping, and cooking. When the whole family participates, it becomes a shared experience that can strengthen your bond and make healthy eating a team effort. Let your kids help pick out fruits and vegetables at the grocery store, or choose a new recipe to try. Cooking together can also be a fun and educational activity, teaching kids valuable skills and encouraging them to take an interest in what they eat. Plus, they're more likely to eat something they've had a hand in making. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new recipes together and be open to your kids' suggestions. Experimenting with different ingredients and cooking methods can keep things interesting and help you discover new family favorites. Encourage your kids to share their ideas and preferences and be willing to try them out. This not only makes them feel valued, but also helps to broaden their palate. Remember, not every experiment will be a success, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep an open mind and have fun with the process. Focus on the positive. Praise your kids for trying new foods and for their efforts in the kitchen. Positive reinforcement can go a long way in encouraging healthy eating habits. Celebrate their willingness to try new things, even if they don't always like them. Acknowledge their contributions to meal preparation and make sure they know their efforts are appreciated. This positive feedback can boost their confidence and make them more likely to continue making healthy choices. Remember, the goal is to create a positive and supportive environment that fosters a love for healthy eating. Section 9. Remember, it's about the journey. Transforming healthy eating into a fun adventure is an ongoing journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, picky eating phases, and maybe even a few kitchen mishaps along the way. But don't get discouraged. With a dash of creativity, a sprinkle of patience, and a whole lot of fun, you can empower your kids to make healthy choices that will last a lifetime.